StudyMathsBangalore.com.
Next is question number 8 from exercise 6.3. Exercise 6.3, question number 8. The question is, E is a point on the side AD produced of a parallelogram ABCD and BE intersects CD at F. Show that triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. E is a point on the side AD produced. E is a point. E is a point on AD produced. AD produced of a parallelogram ABCD. BE intersects CD. BE intersects CD at F. We have to show that. To show that triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. This is the thing which we have to prove. Now, ABCD is a parallelogram. It is given that ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram and E is a point on AD produced. We are producing AD. E is a point on AD produced is given. Now, BE intersects CD. BE join BE. BE intersects CD at F. Then this is the point F. This is the point F. We have to show that triangle ABE, this triangle ABE is similar to CFB. CFB means CFB. These two triangles, we have to show these two triangles are similar. For that, triangle ABE, we have to consider triangle ABE. Consider triangle ABE and CFB. Consider triangle ABE and triangle CFB. In these two triangles, CFB, this angle is equal to this angle. Angle BAE equal to angle BAE equal to angle FCB. Angle BAE is equal to angle FCB. FCB. The reason is angle A and angle C are the opposite angles of a parallelogram. Opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. A and Z are opposite angles of a parallelogram. The reason is opposite angles of parallelogram ABCD. Opposite angles of parallelogram ABCD. Now we want one more equality. That means AD, side AD and these two, and we are considering angle BAE and these two angles are these two angles. We are considering angle AEB and CBF. AD is parallel to BC, therefore AE is also parallel to BC. Now we are considering AD and BC. AD parallel to BC. AD is parallel to BC. Therefore AE is parallel to BC. Therefore AE is parallel to BC. And BE is a transversal. and BE is a transversal. Therefore, angle AEB and CBF are one pair of alternate interior angles, angle AEB. Therefore, angle AEB, that is this angle AEB, is equal to angle CBE, equal to angle CBE, but angle CBE is equal to angle CBF. Therefore, we can write, that is, angle AEB is equal to angle CBF. Angle CBF. If we are naming it as equation number 1 and this as equation number 2, from 1 and 2 we get. The reason here is one pair of alternate interior angles are equal. One pair of alternate interior angles are equal. Alternate interior angles are equal. This is the reason. From 1 and 2, from equations 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, we get triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB by AA similarity criterion. By AA similarity criterion. This is the proof. It's a good question. We are making the constructions. We have to draw the figure and make the constructions and proving one pair of opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. Then these two angles are corresponding angles of the given triangles and they are equal because they are one pair of alternate interior angles. These two equalities are sufficient to prove that triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB by AA similarity criterion. Okay.